Have you ever opened your eyes in the morning and felt as if your entire body was running on low power? No energy, no spark, no sense of strength to start the day. You lie there wondering what happened to that natural drive that once made you feel alive. It is a feeling many men quietly battle every day. But what if I told you that there is one simple thing you can do before breakfast that can completely change the way your body feels and performs? It is not a pill, not some expensive supplement, and it is certainly not another online gimmick. It is a natural habit, one that reawakens your hormones, restarts your circulation, and reignites that deep, natural vitality that you may have believed was gone for good. Hello, and welcome to Man Health 360. I am Dr. Jennifer, a urologist and men's health specialist. For over 10 years, I have worked with men in their 50s, 60s, and 70s to rebuild their strength and vitality naturally. I am not here to sell you anything. I am here to help you understand how your body truly works, in the way a doctor should explain it. Because here is the truth. Your body has not forgotten how to perform the way it once did. It simply needs the right signal to awaken it again. In this video, I will guide you through a powerful morning ritual. 7 natural steps designed to reset your testosterone, sharpen your mind, and bring back that unstoppable energy that defines a strong, focused man. Each step is simple, free, and backed by science. And at the end of this video, I will reveal the final step that ties all of them together, the secret that keeps your body producing testosterone steadily throughout the day. Stay with me until the end. Take a few notes, because beginning tomorrow morning, you can start rebuilding your inner power in the most natural way possible. Before we begin, share something with me in the comments. How do your mornings feel right now? Are they draining or energizing? Tell me honestly, because by the time you finish this video, your answer may change. Most men believe that fatigue, declining energy, and weaker performance are just part of aging. But that belief is far from the truth. It is not simply age. It is chemistry. Your body operates on 3 essential systems: hormones, circulation, and nerve signals. When one of these slows down, everything else follows. After the age of 50, testosterone begins to drop by about 1% each year. That slow decline affects muscle strength, metabolism, motivation, and even the balance between testosterone and estrogen, allowing more belly fat to accumulate and reducing overall drive. At the same time, blood vessels begin to stiffen, decreasing the amount of oxygen flowing to the heart, brain, and other vital areas. This reduction in nitric oxide makes circulation weaker. That is why many men lose their morning energy and think it is about desire, when in reality, it is about blood flow. Your potential is still there. It just needs to be awakened. Imagine your body as a high-performance engine that has not been tuned for years. The power still exists. It simply needs the pipes cleaned and the engine restarted. And here is the best news. Your body is fully capable of restoring itself. You do not need pills or chemicals to fix it. You just need to give it the right daily signals. That is exactly what these 7 steps are built to do. Each one reawakens your system from the inside out, increasing circulation, balancing hormones, and recharging your natural strength. And it all begins the moment you open your eyes. The first step is surprisingly simple, yet remarkably powerful. Before you even think about coffee, before you check your phone, the very first thing your body needs is not caffeine, it is water. Not plain water, but filtered water with a slice of lemon. It may sound too simple to matter, but this one morning habit can activate your entire hormonal system. When you wake up, your liver has spent the night processing toxins, balancing hormones, and preparing your body for a new day. Lemon water sends a signal. It is time to cleanse and awaken. The citric acid in lemon activates enzymes that help your liver flush out waste, while a natural compound called naringenin supports digestion, reduces inflammation, and helps your body process testosterone more effectively. Think of it this way. If your body were a machine, would you fill it with dirty fuel the moment you start it? Or would you begin with clean, fresh fuel that allows every system to perform smoothly? By beginning your day with hydration and natural minerals, you are setting your metabolism on fire. Within days, you may notice less bloating, clearer thinking, and a boost of energy before breakfast even begins. Over time, this tiny ritual helps regulate cortisol, lower inflammation, and improve blood flow. Yes, even to the most important parts of your body. So tomorrow morning, head straight to your kitchen. Squeeze half a lemon into a glass of clean filtered water. Take a slow sip. Feel that freshness enter your system. That is your first victory of the day, a message to your body that you are taking charge, choosing balance over burnout. Now that your body is awake on the inside, it is time to awaken it on the outside. The second step is light, natural sunlight, the most powerful free testosterone booster available. The first 5 to 10 minutes after you wake up are golden. Step outside, take a deep breath, and allow that early light to touch your skin and your eyes. No sunglasses, no phone, just you and the light. When sunlight hits your eyes, it signals your brain that the day has begun. That shuts down melatonin, the sleep hormone, and creates a gentle rise in cortisol that activates energy. Contrary to what many believe, this early cortisol spike is not harmful. It is exactly what helps trigger testosterone production. Sunlight sets your body's internal rhythm for the day. Research shows that men who receive morning sunlight have higher testosterone levels, better sleep, and sharper mental focus. Testosterone is built on rhythm, and when your light rhythm is balanced, your hormonal rhythm follows. That is why I often tell my patients that the best natural supplement for men's vitality is not in a bottle. It is called sunrise. Tomorrow morning, while you sip your lemon water, step outside. Feel the warmth on your skin. Close your eyes and let your body align with the day. That is your second win, your natural hormone reset. Once your system is synchronized with light, it is time to open the pathways of circulation that make everything else possible. Step 3 is something ancient, powerful, and scientifically proven. It is called alternate nostril breathing. It may look unusual, but its results are remarkable. Sit up straight. Use your thumb to close one nostril. Inhale slowly through the other. Hold briefly, then switch sides, exhaling gently. Continue this pattern for 2 or 3 minutes. What happens next inside your body is extraordinary. This breathing technique naturally raises nitric oxide levels, relaxing and widening blood vessels, which enhances circulation, reduces blood pressure, and increases oxygen delivery to vital organs. At the same time, this breathing pattern calms your nervous system, lowers cortisol, and helps your hormones communicate more efficiently. The result is a calm mind, stronger focus, and improved performance throughout the body. Many of my patients in their 60s have reported sleeping better, thinking more clearly, and feeling a renewed sense of vitality just from adding this 2-minute breathing ritual to their mornings. So try it now. Inhale left, switch, exhale right. Slow, steady, controlled. Feel the warmth spreading through your chest and the clarity in your mind. This is your body remembering its natural rhythm. Now we move to step 4, which is all about timing. Most men eat too early in the morning. The body is still in repair mode, burning off what remains from the night before. Eating too soon interrupts that process and stops your natural fat-burning cycle. Instead, delay your first meal by a few hours. When you do this, your body transitions from burning sugar to burning fat, a process called metabolic flexibility. Studies from Harvard and the New England Journal of Medicine confirm that intermittent fasting improves memory, lowers inflammation, and enhances testosterone production. The reason is simple. Excess belly fat converts testosterone into estrogen. Burn the fat, and your hormones begin to rebalance. Within weeks, men report tighter midsections, steady energy, and renewed drive. Not because they eat less, but because they teach their bodies to burn smarter. You do not need to skip breakfast entirely. Simply delay it until around 10 or 11 in the morning. Drink water, move a little, and let your metabolism fully awaken before feeding it. When blood sugar remains stable, testosterone levels remain stable as well. Think of fasting as your body's internal reset button. It is not deprivation, it is optimization. Now, step 5 might surprise you. It is gratitude. It may sound too gentle for a men's health routine, but gratitude has measurable effects on your brain and hormones. Taking a moment each morning to write down 3 things you are grateful for releases dopamine and serotonin, the same chemicals that increase focus, motivation, and hormonal balance. Gratitude also lowers cortisol, the stress hormone that suppresses testosterone. Research shows that men who practice gratitude regularly have lower blood pressure, stronger immune systems, and improved sexual performance. So begin each morning by writing 3 things you are grateful for. It could be your health, your family, your morning walk, or even the simple gift of a new day. Then take one extra step. Send a message to someone you appreciate. Tell them that they matter. This act activates your body's rest and repair mode, allowing testosterone to rise naturally. Confident men are grateful men. They are calmer, stronger, and more magnetic, not because they pretend, but because their inner chemistry aligns with peace and purpose. Once your emotions are balanced, Step 6 helps you reprogram your self-image. Your brain cannot distinguish between reality and vividly imagined experience. When you visualize yourself as strong, energetic, and confident, your brain releases the same chemicals as if it were truly happening. Close your eyes for 60 seconds. Breathe deeply. Imagine yourself standing tall, your body lean, your energy sharp, your confidence unwavering. You are not pretending. You are reminding your brain who you truly are beneath stress, fatigue, and years of pushing through. Visualization triggers the release of dopamine, serotonin, and acetylcholine, the same neurochemicals that drive motivation and performance. This is why athletes visualize victory before they compete. It teaches the brain to make success real. Do this after gratitude each morning. See it, feel it, believe it. When your mind and body align, you are training yourself to age in reverse. Finally, Step 7 brings everything together. It is an ancient movement known as the horse stance. It has been used for centuries to awaken blood flow, strengthen the pelvic floor, and restore the foundation of male vitality. Stand with your feet slightly wider than your shoulders. Bend your knees as if sitting on an invisible horse. Keep your back straight, your chest open, and your arms relaxed. Begin swinging your arms slowly and loosely back and forth. Do this for 2 minutes. You will feel warmth spreading through your hips and lower abdomen. This position increases blood flow to the pelvic region, supports prostate health, and activates the lymphatic system, your body's natural detox mechanism. This movement strengthens the same muscles responsible for posture, stability, and performance. It reconnects breath, strength, and focus, the 3 pillars of vitality. Perform it every morning after visualization. You will feel more grounded, centered, and powerful. This is not just exercise. It is energy reprogramming. Once you master all 7 steps, remember this truth. It is not about doing them perfectly. It is about creating a rhythm. When these habits align, your body begins to perform like it did years ago. Let us recap. Begin your day with lemon water to awaken your liver and flush toxins. Step outside for sunlight to activate your hormonal rhythm. Practice alternate nostril breathing to boost nitric oxide and improve circulation. Delay breakfast to activate fat burning and hormonal balance. Express gratitude to calm your mind and raise your testosterone naturally. Visualize the confident, strong version of yourself. Then ground your energy with the horse stance, awakening the core of your masculine strength. These are not tricks. They are foundations of true male health, science meeting daily habit. Do them consistently for 1 week, and you will feel the change. Continue for 1 month, and you will see it in your energy, focus, and performance. Aging does not mean decline. It means mastery. Your body can still respond with the same strength and fire it once had. It only needs rhythm, consistency, and the right signals. Before tomorrow morning, set a small reminder. Begin with the first 3 steps: water, sunlight, and breathing. Leave a comment below to let us know you are starting. And if you wish to go deeper, calculate your personal male vitality score using the free link below. It is your roadmap to understanding exactly where you stand and how far you can go. Remember, health is not only about living longer, it is about living stronger. Every sunrise is another chance to rebuild your inner power. I am Dr. Jennifer, and this is Man Health 360. If you have questions about your energy, focus, or performance, share them in the comments below. I read each one carefully. Stay strong, stay curious, and I will see you in the next video.